Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Float Cash Flow Forecasting. Review my usage experience. Float Cash Flow Forecasting. Review my usage experience offers a cash flow forecasting tool designed for small business owners and freelancers. Its main purpose is to help users predict their future cash flow, allowing for better financial planning and decision-making. Key features likely include importing bank transactions, projecting income and expenses, and generating reports. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features. It boasts ease of use, aiming for intuitive navigation even for users without advanced accounting knowledge. They emphasize transparency with clear pricing and no hidden fees, though specific pricing details are best found on their website. The technology seems to rely on algorithms to analyze historical data and create forecasts, but the specific details of the algorithms aren't publicly available. Availability is likely for anyone with internet access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Float Cash Flow Forecasting. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I connected my bank account in about 5 minutes, surprisingly straightforward. The interface is clean and well organized. I particularly liked the visual representations of my projected cash flow. The graphs and charts made it easy to understand my financial picture at a glance. I found the feature allowing for scenario planning really useful. I could input different sales projections and instantly see how that would impact my cash flow. The forecasts felt accurate enough for my purposes. They aligned well with my actual income and expenses in the following weeks. I had a quick question about customizing a report and their support responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for the reports. It would be nice to have more control over the specific data points displayed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Float. The ease of use, clear visuals, and accurate forecasting were major pluses. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and helped me feel much more confident in my financial planning. That's my overview of Float Cash Flow Forecasting. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.